Tomorrow is Doyō no Ushi no Hi, the day we eat eel to recharge ourselves in the midsummer heat. Some people go to fancy unagi restaurant or get some takeout, but many of us buy it at the supermarket. But the quality is not really fancy, so today I'm going to upgrade the supermarket unagi to feel the restaurant level. Let's get started. First, let's make the eel sauce. Pour half a cup of mirin into a pot and bring it to a boil and cook off the alcohol. Now add your sugar. I'm using 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar for a clean, balanced sweetness, but feel free to adjust it to your taste. Once the sugar dissolved, pour in half a cup of soy sauce. Drop the heat to low and let it simmer until it reduces into a glossy glaze for a couple of minutes. Be careful, it's gonna boil over, so turn the heat to low. Now for the unagi secret. Rinse off any sauce under the running cold water. If you leave it on, it will burn before the eel gets hot. Wash away the sauce until it's no longer slippery. Then pat it dry. Cut in half and put it in a pan and drizzle over 1 tablespoon of sake. Cover and steam on medium heat until the meat of unagi plumps up. This is how you get that fluffy texture and brings out the umami. Carefully transfer it to a grill or toaster oven and watch for the surface to start bubbling. Then flip and brown the skin side. We are recreating that smoky charcoal grilled aroma at home. Flip them again and brush generously with your homemade eel sauce and grill for a minute until glossy. And look at that finish. It smells just like high-end unagi restaurant. Serve over piping hot, freshly cooked rice, and drizzle as much sauce as you like. And top them your unagi cut into strips. By the way, I'm serving this in gorgeous red lacquerware bowl from Nakagawa Masashichi Shoten, a legendary Nara brand. This comes in a variety of sizes, and the best part is it's actually dishwasher safe. It really upgrades your everyday meal. You can check out their beautiful daily goods in Japan or at their London shop. And be sure to check the link in the description to upgrade your everyday meal. Finish with a sprinkle of sansho pepper for a kick and add your favorite pickles on the side. Crispy and smoky on the outside and so soft on the inside. It just melts in your mouth. It's rich, savory, and exactly what you need to survive the Japanese summer heat. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!